Hello po, Ma'am Liberty, Nanay Liberty, Sis Liberty. Maraming salamat po sa iyong follow support sa YouTube board. Anyway, today is 12 a.m. in the morning. It's your birthday. So, binabati kita daw. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you always in good health, and also to your family now. So, happy birthday, and happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much once again sa iyong full support sa amin sa YouTube board. Salamat, nandyan ka palagi. Basta, salamat ng bongga. Once again, happy birthday and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Welcome 2026 now. Kaswerte ng birthday mo na end of the year always. Wow. Very rare, right? And happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y malasig mo kami. Hindi. Sana'y mabusog mo kami. Salamat po. Regards to your husband and to your children. I love you all. Thank you. Happy birthday.